Hey there, everybody. It is Jenny, and I am back today to share with you a traveler's notebook layout that I created. I am using a layout that Christine created as my inspiration. I will link up her YouTube video below so you can see it. It's also going to be on the Coco Daisy blog as well if you want to look at it there. There's going to be some kind of craziness. I don't mean craziness, but like weirdness because my photo printer was just bizarre today. And so the ink was just getting on everything, which is super not normal. So when you see me wiping my fingers on the desk and all that, just know it's just the ink. I don't know what the deal was. All right, so I'm using these two pattern papers as backgrounds. They're trimmed to 4 1/8 by 8 1/8. And I decided to use the yellow on the left side for that nice pop of color, and then that very nice neutral on the right side. It's basically a white background with the light brown leaves sort of falling. And then I chose the yellow What's the Buzz card because A, it was adorable, and then B, it matched with the yellow. It went with the overall, like, I wanted to tell a story about this layout versus it just being like, oh, this was a cute picture, it was a fun day. No, there was actually like somewhat of a story behind that. So I thought that the What's the Buzz phrase went well with that. Now I added the chipboard in that blank space. It's not blank, you can see it's part of the stadium, but it's not imperative to the photo. So I just put the chipboard right on top of that. It's very cute right there. I love that just extra pop on the black and white photo. Now I'm going through the die cuts. Christine used 3 hexagons right here in this general area. I have changed up this layout too, by the way. And if you go and you click and you look at Christine's layout, it's very different. Like, I don't know that you would necessarily think that my layout was inspired by hers because I don't think in the end they really necessarily look like each other. But I think you could draw the parallels if you were checking it out. So I'm creating this cluster using 2 hexagons instead of 3 and then a little word strip right there. I just love it. It's so much fun. And it's really playful and it feels super cohesive. I really like that. Now I was trying to decide if I wanted to use those alphabet stickers right there. They're just, I don't know, like I couldn't decide if I wanted to spell it out or not. So I printed my journaling on the clear sticker paper and I'm trimming it out, just trimming it right down to right around the journaling itself, and then I will peel it off and stick it down right on that patterned paper, which is kind of crazy to me because I don't think that me a year ago would have thought that I would add journaling directly on top of patterned paper like that, yet here we are. So you can see right there, there's the alcohol wipe and me cleaning off the table. Remember, we already talked about this. I also even thought, oh, let me clean off the layout. Not a great idea, but again, I digress. So we've got the journaling down right there, and then I look at that. I just love how it all came together. It's really cute and simple, but yet in the end, I feel like it feels like it all came together really well. And I'm adding the Angels versus Mariners. That's the baseball game that we were at. And I feel like that's all it really needs. Then you have the story and the photo, and it comes together really well and super cute. So now I'll stamp the date, and that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.